Okay. So there's a ton of nails, and there's so many more. One of the reasons I started doing this is because of all these nails, and I really don't want people to run over these during their fun time out with their family. Okay, it looks like I'm gonna need both hands for this. There's like, holy shoot. Okay, I just realized how many nails are out here. Oh my gosh. Did I drive through this? Ew. I've got to get that rolling magnet or something. Because this is... Oh, gimme. 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 Alright, so off in the distance here, I see something weird. Or just something out of place. Let's see. I don't want to drive over there because I feel like every inch I drive out here is another giant chance that I'm gonna run over nails. I should bring a bag. What was I thinking? Back to the hybrid. Toby. Toby. Can we just hang out and enjoy the day? Okay, I guess not. Okay, let's grab a bag. I got a bag. And now we're gonna walk way over here. Bloop. I'm gonna throw out a guess that it's a quarter mile away. I don't know if that's true. Come here, boys! I really hope my footage is looking better because I got a GoPro. I can't even remember the last time I actually bought a brand new piece of technology or anything like that. It's just, I don't know, I'm cheap. Alright, so this isn't really quite what I expected coming out here. A filing cabinet. A filing cabinet with folders in it. We got some screws that are gonna end up on the ground. Wow. This is super bizarre because just yesterday I was saying, I should get a filing cabinet. And look, there's one right here and it's really nice. I'm almost a little tempted to go back with my truck and come get it. But there's gotta be a reason it's out here, right? Like it's wanted for murder or something. Did you lose your ball again? We are going to have an amazing sunset. How long do you think this has been out here? Oh, score. You found it, Toby. You know, when I woke up today, I thought, I'm gonna go clean up some stuff and it's gonna be awesome. And please, 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 just please let there be some clouds today. Because look, oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Look at this. It wouldn't look nearly this cool without some clouds. That's pretty sharp. I gotta find a place to tinkle. There's people everywhere. Hopefully none of them have binoculars. All right, we're back at the car, water time. If I'm gonna stay out here till the sun goes down, which I would like to, I'm gonna have to occupy a little bit of time. I thought about driving into Boulder City to go to Harbor Freight to get a big old magnet. It's really not a bad idea. I mean, I'm not that far from Boulder City. This is awesome. Look at this. So many. Look at that sunset. So pretty. I'm so happy we came out here. Aren't you happy we came out? Look at this. That is so pretty. So glad we came out here today. This was really, really awesome. Thanks for watching.